Hi, it's Inspired Mike here today with Valley Productions. We're here today to compare an external microphone to an internal microphone. As you can see here, I have a Rode video microphone. Okay, so what we're going to do is perform a simple little test. I'm going to compare this mic versus the internal mic. Ready, set, go. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the external mic. Now I'm going to pull the external mic. Now we're on the internal mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you hear a difference? This is the microphone on the DJI website. It sells for $59. Again, there's a closer look at it. I highly recommend it. I think you'll have your money's worth. Here is the exact setup I was talking about. The audio now is on my Samsung smartphone. Again, thank you for watching.